Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about what you should do once you've been served divorce papers. After your spouse has filed for divorce, you were probably served divorce papers. What steps should you immediately take? Number 1, make sure you were properly served. Did you sign for a certified mail or was it delivered via personal service? Personal service is when a constable, a sheriff, or a private process server delivers you the divorce papers. Your spouse cannot just hand you the filed divorce petition or complaint. Number 2, read the divorce papers. Number 3, make sure the court listed on the divorce papers has jurisdiction. Is this the right court? A court with jurisdiction has the right to hear your case, render a judgment, and enforce the judgment. For instance, if you and your spouse live in Texas and your spouse files for divorce in California just to make your life a living hell, under those circumstances, California does not have jurisdiction. Keep in mind, every state has different rules regarding what is required for a court to obtain jurisdiction. Number 4, check how many days you have to file an answer or response. Every state has different rules regarding the number of days you have to reply to divorce papers, or else your spouse can move forward with what's called a default divorce. A default divorce or a default judgment is when the court issues or renders a judgment in favor of your spouse due to your failure to take any action. So if you don't do anything, the court will proceed without you. And lastly, number 5, do not do anything stupid. Do not start going on a spending spree and depleting all community assets. This would not look good in front of a judge or a jury.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.